were wondering how to post multiple videos on your Instagram stories, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that today. Let's say I open my Instagram and I want to add new stories. And here, if I tap on select, I can choose multiple videos or even photos. And then by tapping on this little arrow, first, Instagram lets you edit the video, like cut it short or longer as much as you like, and then you can tap on done. And again, the next video, Instagram lets you edit it or cut it short or whatever you like. And again, when you tap done, now you can add different things, like you can draw something on this video if you like, or you can maybe mention someone. And then by tapping on this little arrow again, you will be able to share your story with your followers. One thing you need to pay attention to is that by sharing your stories like this, you will have posted 2 different separate stories. Your videos will not be on the same story. It will be 2 separate ones. So if you want 2 or more videos on the same story on Instagram, unfortunately, Instagram doesn't let you do that yet. What you can do is head over to App Store and search for Edits. Now, this is an application that Instagram launched a while ago, and this app lets you edit all the videos you want. I already have downloaded it, so if I open it, you can log into your Instagram account and allow to send notifications. And here you can make any reels you want. You have inspirations, you have templates, and here you can create your own project, choosing videos from gallery, and then maybe creating a reel with them, or adding them one after another in one video, and then after you export it, you can share it on your Instagram. Edits is actually a really great application, and it lets you process and edit your videos so much more easily. And don't forget to subscribe for more.